Do you see that woodpecker? Hmm? Not you. Do you see that woodpecker? Do you hear that woodpecker? He's been there all afternoon. He better not be there all night long. He keeps popping out. Okay, so we've used the grill that was provided here, and we've made those potatoes we were talking to you about. So that's our fire with the grill, and then my shoes getting dry, and here's the potatoes. So we're gonna have the potatoes. No, we, not you, Mo and I.
Why do you never feed me?
Because you can eat everything that's in the bush.
Have you tried it? It doesn't taste very good.
I don't eat leaves, but you do.
You eat leaves.
I don't eat leaves.
You eat leaves.
You eat leaves.
I do eat leaves.
You do. And we're gonna have potatoes. So there they are. They're all cooked up. We're gonna let them cool down a bit because I kind of burned my finger. Ooh, I want to show you my shoes though. So yesterday we were drying my shoes just like this, but they were a little closer. And this one, as you can see, is nice. I don't actually think you can see. But over here, hey, what are you doing?
Oh, nothing.
Those are mine.
Just smelling them.
Just smelling them, good.
Down here.
And these ones here, if you can see, they're all melted on me and they started coming apart. Oh, no, they came apart. Maybe they're doing that again today. So I'm gonna have to get, excuse me, what are you doing?
How's it going?
Hey!
Hanging in the boat.
Okay, so I'm gonna move my shoes away from the fire because now they've all ruined. And we're gonna move this grill off. What are you doing? Stop it. Yeah, that's, hey! Okay, goodbye. So it is 10 o'clock at night. I don't know if you can see it, but look at that thing. Let's see this if I can show the light. It's like the biggest, if it's a salamander, that is the biggest one that I've ever seen. So cute. And it's so close to the fire, so I really don't know what it's doing there, but anywho, I just thought, I've got to go look at that thing. Look at that. Let's see if I can get the, ouch. It's a little warm on my hand for holding the light. There we go. Oh, it's moving. Probably doesn't like that, so anyways, I'll put some leaves over it and call it a day. Okay, well anyways, just thought you'd want to see that. Good morning. It is 7 o'clock Sunday. There's a little bit of mist on the lake. Fog. There's a little bit of fog on the lake. Whatever. Yesterday we got up at, 11 o'clock in the morning. So we missed all this. So that's why today I thought, oh, we'll show you. We were supposed to get up at 6, but it was a little dark. So that's why we're getting up now. It's nice and pretty though. Look at our tent here. Leaves have been falling on our tent all night. We've got leaves at the top. There's Mo inside the tent. Leaves all on the bottom. It's actually very pretty. Like this tree here has been dropping leaves like there's no tomorrow. So, they're very pretty though. Could you tell where we had our tent? It was right there. Okay, so we are all done. We're all packed up, ready to go. It only took about a half an hour, so that's pretty good. This was our site. It was actually a really good site. So, but there are no pictures for the PCI on the Algonquin Adventures forum, so I'm going to take a few pictures. I've got my this new mosquito shield. It's Canadian. I think it is. Wilderness formula. There we go. It's got a lovely little compass on top, so I'm going to take some pictures for the forum for this site, because it's not actually that bad, and I think people should know, because as soon as I saw Rain Lake, I thought, oh, I'll go on the forum and see if I could see what the campsites look like, and there were none. So I'm going to stand right in the middle of the site and take some pictures. Goodbye, site.
Goodbye, site.
Goodbye, Rain Lake. Till we meet again. Maybe someday. It's very pretty, though. Okay, it's 8:42. We made it in 40 minutes, but we were like stopped and we took pictures and stuff like that. So we're back at the access point. There's nobody here. Some poor girl's car. I don't know if you can see it. She's from New York, and they have painted happy birthday on it. And yeah, so with the dew, it's been dripping down her car and everything like that. I feel really bad for her, but anyways, maybe I'll have to blur out her license plate if you can see it. So there's the beginning of the walking trail over there, the Highlands backpacking trail, or Uplands, whatever, Highland back, whatever. Uplands, Western Uplands backpacking trail. It's over there. All in all, it was pretty good. So Mo's gonna pack the car. I'm gonna pack the car. And we will be on our way. We just stopped along the access road to take some photos of the landscape, because when you're canoeing you really don't get to go on the hills to look at the top of the hills and bottom of hills to look at hills. So stop hitting me. So pretty.